In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change up your interior with an F-Sport shift knob. So I got this shift knob for about 70 bucks online, and I'll put a link in the description. So your second generation Lexus IS probably comes with a shift knob that looks like this. It has a chrome center and like a leatherish, fake leather, rubber surround, and it does the job, but it kind of gets hot in the summer with the chrome, and it can definitely be improved upon. So today we're going to replace this with the F-Sport version, which features carbon fiber in the center and leather wrapped with blue stitching. So it looks really nice, feels really good in the hands, and it's very easy to change. The shift knob features the F-Sport logo on top on the carbon fiber. It also has grooves on it for your fingers, so it fits nicely in the hand as well. To install this is pretty simple. As you can see, you just twist off the old one and twist on the new one. Now I twist this past the point that it should be, just to see where it stops and kind of tightens. So you have to turn it back a little bit, and it's pretty tight. It's not really going anywhere, so we're going to leave it like that. In the overhead view here, it looks like I have it on a little bit crooked, but we'll ignore that for the time being. And this actually works really nicely in manual mode because you have those finger cutouts. So it's just really easy to put your fingers there and either pull back or push forward. And of course you can use the paddle shifters, but it's kind of nice to use the shift knob once in a while. And it's just a really nice grip all around. And that's it. Shift knob is installed and ready to use. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and as always, leave a little rubber on the road.